Hi, I'm John Stevenson, and welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. So today we're going to be talking about annuity riders and how they differ. Because there's a lot of different ones to choose from. Most people, though, who reach out to me, they're usually asking me, hey, John, how can I get the highest income? And usually the answer is an income rider. You can definitely purchase an annuity without an income rider and you can still get guaranteed income, but it's just not as much. It usually goes down by at least 30%. So if you want high income, contact me. There's a link below this video and it goes straight to my calendar. So what are the different types of annuity riders out there? All right, well, the first one, of course, is obvious, the guaranteed lifetime benefit rider, which is what people reach out to me for. They want guaranteed lifetime income. And so they will get that guaranteed lifetime income rider attached to their policy. And so that is the most popular. That is what people will reach out to me the most for. The second one is a guaranteed income benefit rider, which is usually attached to a variable annuity policy, although it can be attached to other policies. And it just gives you the very, very minimum that you can expect for lifetime income, regardless of what your sub-accounts do, especially in a variable annuity. If those sub-accounts perform very, very poorly, that rider will actually still make sure you have a minimum benefit no matter what, which is nice. But if you're looking to maximize your payout, highest guaranteed payout for the rest of your life, usually I would recommend a fixed indexed annuity with an income rider already attached, because that will give you the highest amount of guaranteed income. And that's based off of today's rates right now. Okay, another one is a long-term care rider. And this is just goes without saying. It's for people that want long-term care to be part of their annuity. Now, a lot of times these are not guaranteed because it's all based off of the account value of your annuity. So usually if your account value is at 0, then they won't pay out anything. But if there is money in the account, then of course they will pay out, they will double your income if it's a single payout, or if it's a joint payout, usually they will give you 1.5 times the amount that you're receiving. I do have a lot of people ask me for this. And so there are a few providers out there that will give it to you regardless of the account balance, but they're far and few between, and sometimes the ratings are not as high for those companies. So just make sure that you're aware of that before you start looking at those. Okay, the death benefit rider, again, this is for someone who wants an enhanced death benefit, okay? They want guaranteed income payments for life, but they also want to have some sort of death proceeds left to their family members when they die. And there are riders for that. A disability income rider is very, very close to a long-term care rider, but it is, of course, if someone gets disabled, then of course it increases the income payments that you can receive from your annuity contract. An impaired risk rider is a rider that can be attached to your annuity contract if maybe something happens in your life that greatly reduces your life expectancy. And if that happens, the annuity company will actually increase the amount of payments coming to you for life. So there's a lot of different riders out there. And riders, that's what they do. They ride on the policy. They ride on the contract. And it's very similar to like a life insurance contract. If you buy life insurance for yourself, you might have a rider for your kids, maybe just a minimum death benefit if something happens to them, that you get some sort of proceeds that will help pay for their burial. And then of course you got accidental death, disability, right? A lot of times that will double the payout if death occurs because of an accident. So again, all of these riders, they just give you extra enhancements, okay? Really extra benefits. And I would say virtually most of the time when people reach out to me, they are looking for retirement income and they want the most retirement income. Maybe it's you. Maybe you've been saving up your money for the last 30 years and you just want to make sure it's protected and you want to make sure you can get as much income as possible. You might be looking at your 401k and your IRA account and you might be thinking, well, I've got this much money sitting in here right now. I calculate if I take out $20,000 a year, I shouldn't run out until I reach 95. But that's as long as my investment continues to pay this, right? Why not look at an annuity contract that will pay you out more than the $20,000? Maybe it'll pay you out $30,000 or even more than that, guaranteed. Okay, that's what an income rider will give you. It will give you that guaranteed high payout. So even if your money runs out at 85 or 90, it doesn't matter. That income is now a contract. And that, of course, is provided by that income rider. And so you can get a whole lot more than just scrimping and just kind of watching the market, watching your investments and making sure that they're earning what they need to. And of course, if you got that 30% downturn one year, now all of a sudden that changes everything. With a fixed index annuity with an income rider, you don't have to worry about that at all. And you can do it with a SPIA and a DIA contract as well. They're just not as flexible. They don't have cash value. They're irrevocable. So usually my clients want the FIA annuity with the income rider. It just gives them really the best of both worlds. But I can show you everything. So if you want to book a call, there's a link below this video. Go straight to my calendar and bring your questions. I'm not going to try to sell you anything. I'll just show you everything that is available. And of course, if an annuity is right for you, I'd love to sell it to you. I'd love to work with you. And I hope you I hope you subscribe. I hope you share this video if you found value in it. And definitely subscribe though. I put out new content every single week and I'd love to push that out to you. So again, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.